What's up, YouTube? It's your boy King Say something. I'm back. Before we get to it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you always watch the full video.
I don't know who the you are. Listen, I ain't shot at now. Please tell me.
I'm beans. No, you're not, sir. No, you're not. No, you're not. How did you get into this lady's house? Why? Again, I keep saying it every time. I think these doorbells things attract people.
You're about to be.
This would-be intruder is trying to be subtle but failing miserably. His evil plot was foiled.
I am being shot at by. Dude, are you serious? Yeah, see ya. What? I'll call the law.
The guy claims he's being shot at, but the homeowner isn't having any of it.
Is that like, look, this happened to you, right? Somebody's popping at you, right? You ain't here, fear your life. I don't care. Call them, please. I need them to come.
What's wrong with you, man?
He looks so dejected, you almost feel bad for the guy. Number 4. A man is apparently talking to himself outside a stranger's door. Oh yeah, and he has a massive blade. You can't really hear what he's saying, but he appears to be speaking to someone.
He's supposed to be in jail, bro. I guarantee he's supposed to be in jail. It be so many sad cases where like somebody that do something to people, and this person should have been locked up months ago. So many different cases, and they just keep letting them out.
The guy stands there for a moment longer before his demons drive him elsewhere. Number 3. This ring footage was filmed in Texarkana, Texas. The homeowner shares that this man regularly visits their house because he believes it belongs to someone he knows.
Y'all ain't gonna answer the door for the police, so that's very unusual out here.
Usually he causes a scene. In this particular instance, he went overboard.
This is not good. This is not a good thing. He always comes here. It's not good. One day he gonna get in.
Hello? Get somewhere. What's that? I can't understand you. You're what? Sir?
The homeowner isn't there, but he buzzes in. He's telling him to get off his property, but he refuses to leave.
How come every time I come up here, somebody dead on this place, and I know the girl, this person that owns it? And I am the police. She lives in one of my apartments. Stacy Crawford owns this. I'm going to tell her. Then we'll be back to move. Follow the law.
After his crazy rant, he starts
He said, "I am the law. I know the owner." Yeah, this ain't good.
to take his rage out on the camera.
Every time I show up, it's somebody else claiming to own it. This is not a good thing.
Hi, camera.
When he can't destroy it by hand, he takes a boot to it. Number 2. These homeowners in Truckee, California had a very unusual visit in the night. Upon hearing their doorbell at around 10 p.m., they thought some pranksters were playing Ding Dong Ditch. And maybe they were. After getting up close and personal with the camera, the lead bear saunters off. Let's just hope there's nobody out walking.
So like this happened when you build houses in places that these animals are used to being in. Like this is a place this bear can probably walk through 100 times to go get food.
In this community right now. Number 1. Early on a Saturday morning in Visalia, California, this homeowner received a Ring doorbell notification. A stranger was at his door.
Can I help you? What?
I said, can I talk to
The woman is clearly intoxicated.
Who?
I said, can I talk to the person who lives here, please?
You got the wrong address.
Like,
She starts hitting buttons.
weird.
It's a setup. It's a setup.
Want to talk to juvenile detention facility?
Then she hits a million buttons.
You have the wrong address, sorry.
Well, can you call them?
For a moment, it seems like she's given up.
Please? Like it calls, like it pushing the buttons? I don't give a
But this interaction keeps going.
how many dumb Saturday.
I think this is a setup, and if it's not, lady, you need help because you're gonna do this to the wrong person's house.
I don't give a
She simply won't leave, and she insists she's at the correct address.
Go away.
You can hear in his voice that he wants to go back to sleep.
Why?
You have the wrong address.
You.
Wrong address. Go away.
No, that. It's where address.
And yet she continues to ring and smash his doorbell incessantly.
Straight like that. Charlie. Say no hood. Buy some North Face. The hood Cucino.
Boy, I thought it just came out and Dolphin, a little dumbass boy.
From the hood.
It's pissing me off. So I know the person. If he's home, I know he getting pissed.
Stop.
30 seconds is nothing you can like. You can do something, but more like if he go out and do something to her, he gonna go to jail. So
Keep knocking, keep ringing, keep calling.
You have the wrong address. Seriously.
A bitch. Yeah. I'll break it.
that's why I don't fuck with young money girls, bro.
You're gonna hurt your hand. Stop.
This is a nice person, bro. You said you're gonna hurt your hand. Stop. He ain't bitch, get the off my nothing.
I'll break that shit.
It's surprising the camera has withstood the beating so far.
Watch me break.
She appears to be trying to pry it off. After making no progress, she becomes increasingly aggressive. She just won't stop.
There's so many cases, like so many scenarios that could have happened in this moment, boy. She is lucky. Either this person's not home or they're nice, or they have human decency, human kindness. Kid, boy.
Up.
She apparently walks off at some point but returns.
This is the moment. Nah, I can't. I think that's probably still illegal. I would say, what if a person had some blanks? Came out and did that. Oh, she walked off. Oh, yeah, bitch. Bow, 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 bow. With all blanks, though. All blanks. So she would have ran her ass. She would have ran for sure.
And this time she says it's her house.
Who are you looking for?
It's my house. What the
But it's not her house.
Hello?
Go away.
My house.
The homeowner has the patience of a saint. But even his is running short.
Look, you got the wrong house. Seriously, go.
Oh, well, I jumped off my thing. It says my house.
At this point, she starts slamming her shoulder against
It's like it's the middle of the night. This person is madly exhausted.
the door. Then she turns around and tries to kick it down with her foot.
Move that shit up in there. What the Nah, fucking house up in the house.
She's still under the illusion that this is her house. The homeowner is forced to call the police, arrive 10 minutes later, and arrest her. For some peace and quiet at last. This has been documented.
That's crazy, bro. Make sure like.